Are you trying to get your business to show up in that 3-pack of maps results that shows up when someone looks for the products you sell, services you offer, or your type of business in your local market? Great. Maybe you're joining me from the last video and that's why you're here, or maybe you just found this video because you already know how important it is to show up in those results. If not, quick refresher, that's about half of local searches have that pack, and the people who are searching for something locally and get that pack results, about half of them visit a business within a day of their local search, right? A nearby business. So showing up there is critically important. It gets you more phone calls, more website traffic, more clicks for directions, and ultimately more customers, which is what we're all after. So how do you show up in those results? Well, in this video, I'm going to share just a quick breakdown of how you show up for those results. If you want to dive in more, check out my video on how local SEO works. That's going to help you understand even better what you need to do to show up. But in today's video, you're going to get the overview so you have a good understanding and key takeaways for what you need to be thinking about and doing in order to show up in those 3-pack results. Okay, so here's how it works. When somebody searches for something locally and Google decides, all right, we're going to give them a 3-pack of results, Google thinks about a few different things before they return businesses, and they decide which 3 businesses they should show up locally for that person's search. Here are the 3 things that they consider. They consider how close your business is to the person who is searching, right? So that search is happening on a smartphone or computer. Google knows exactly where that person's located. First thing they consider, how close is the business? Second thing they consider is how popular is your business, right? And there's a number of different ways they judge that. Reviews, comments, website, backlinks. I talk about that and how local SEO works. But that's the second consideration. How popular is your business? And third, how closely matched is your business to the search query, right? So if you are a landscaper and someone searches lawn care, it's not exactly matched, but depending on proximity, prominence, right, that relevance score is going to maybe or maybe not show up your business, right? Those are kind of close. So it's going to consider how closely matched your business is to that person's search, right? So the algorithm is also going to prioritize listings that are maintained, are accurate, and up to date. So what do I mean by listings? I mean your Google business profile. That's what influences this, which is why I have so many videos about how to optimize your Google business profile, because it's going to influence your ability to show up in these maps results, which are where highly qualified buyers are going to be choosing from businesses, right? So that's why you have to make sure that your business, Google business profile is optimized with up-to-date details and is kept up to date consistently, because it's going to help Google understand if your business is close, if it's popular, and if it's relevant, so whether or not it should show you up to that very, very qualified buyer for the services that you're offering. So here's the thing. The majority of customers won't check beyond the first page of results, so they won't even go beyond those 3-pack of map results, because they can already see reviews, they can already click to call, they can already see like a photo and if the store or business is open at that time. So ranking for different terms and making sure your business shows up in that 3-pack is critical. Check out all my videos. I'll post a few links here, and subscribe to my channel so that you can make sure your business shows up as much as possible. That's going to help you attract more traffic, clicks, calls, directions, and ultimately tons more customers for your business. It all flows to those that can capture the highest rankings in Google. So until next time, we'll catch you in these next videos. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe so more business owners like yourself can grow their local business. Thanks so much for joining me.